Although I'm gonna have to push the button this time. Oh, I have this one set not to.
The National Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Whitman County. This includes the city of Pullman, northwestern Nez Perce County and north-central Idaho, southwestern Latah County in the panhandle of Idaho, northern Nessothan County in southeast Washington. This includes the city of Clarkston, extreme east-central Garfield County in southeast Washington, until 7:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:27 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Clarkston Heights, or near Clarkston, and moving north at 35 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Clarkston, Uniontown, Colton, and Pullman. Doppler radar has indicated some weak rotation within the storm. While not immediately likely, a tornado may still develop. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties: in Washington, Nessothan, Garfield, and Whitman, and the following counties: in Idaho, Latah, and Nez Perce. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until